Tired of your Discord server looking like everyone else's? Learn how to set a custom server icon in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps, from opening Discord to saving your new icon. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Discord on your computer. Then, open the server where you want to change the icon. Now, click the drop-down arrow next to your server's name in the top left corner. From the menu, select Server Settings. Then, in the Settings sidebar, click on Server Profile. Under the Server Profile section, click on Change Server Icon. Crop the image if necessary to get the perfect look. When you're happy with the crop, click on Apply. Finally, click on Save Changes to set your new server icon. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.